Hey traders, my name is TG Watkins, creator of the Moxie Indicator, and welcome to my Profit Pilot YouTube page. The Moxie Indicator is a momentum-based indicator and was my primary tool in growing my account from $700,000 to $5.5 million in 4 months. This page is where you come to see market insights twice a week and any other market updates I find important to share. And remember, you can get a full access trial for $7 for 30 days at the Moxie Indicator Mastery, which is the Moxie Indicator trading room. So come over here, check it out, and see what you guys think. Now, let me show you a few Moxie Indicator principles which demonstrate the power of the indicator. So over here, we'll be looking at SOXX, which is the semiconductor ETF. Thought it was a good one to kind of demonstrate a few things. Number one, the red arrows, red or green arrows, are what we call the Moxie price triggers. They tell you when momentum has gone positive or negative and usually lands at a pretty good time. They're pretty good on timing situation. And you can see right here we had the red price trigger indicating that momentum and energy was starting to go down and negative. And you can see that perfectly correlated with the drop in price. And then another setup we have is what's called a trampoline move and an inverse trampoline move. So an inverse trampoline move is when price is over the 50 SMA, but the Moxie indicator is below zero. Price should not be over the 50 if the Moxie indicator is below zero. And you can see right here that perfectly called it, and you can see another one perfectly called that one too. Now, if we take that and we say it's a regular trampoline move, you can see here this one perfectly called by the dip. Price should not be below the 50 if the Moxie indicator is above zero. And you can see that preceding that, we had the green Moxie price trigger indicating that energy and momentum now went positive. So as you can see here, the Moxie indicator does a very good job of calling both the downturn and the upturn, and then also helps tell you when bounces are false breakouts, like you should actually be shorting this, or dips are buyable. And we can see that in through here. We could even see that on the hourly chart for the semis, and you can see again, here on the lower time frame charts, there's the Moxie price trigger telling you that momentum and energy was now starting to become positive, so go long. And you can see that this dip was again another trampoline move, price below the 50, but the Moxie indicator above zero. Then we could see yet again on the way down, here's your Moxie price trigger telling you that energy and momentum was now negative. And then even this move up here was a false long move because price was up over the 50 SMA, but the Moxie indicator was below zero. So that was an inverse trampoline move telling you, hey, don't be buying this. It's a trap. It's a bull trap. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit how the Moxie indicator works. So, you know, we like transparency. I want to show you guys that this is actually the primary indicator that I use. I created it, and it is helping a lot of other traders out there, you know, reach the goals that they want to. So hopefully you guys enjoy the Profit Pilot YouTube page. Leave some comments if you can, and we'll see you guys soon. Thanks.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.